Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video about these air filters on the D21. So as you can see, this is my old one here. Pretty much done. It is fresh one right here. It's very simple. All you do is get a tin. There's 2 bolts right here on this cover. Take that off. You see all those clips right there? You just undo those clips. Replace your oil filter. I mean, air filter, oil filter. I just changed my oil too, so that's probably why I said that. It's kind of a mess here. I'm driving a lot of highway miles, so lately I've been having to frequently do more service because of, you know, the type of oil these trucks take. They take regular, you know, conventional. So this just gotta line up the little holes here. Like that. Get that piece lined up. And you just put your clips back. It should clip right back on, no issues. I don't know about the one in the back. It's not locking in, but you can see this one's locking in quite well. Come on now. There we go. I need to clean off my engine bay. I have not had time to do any of that with the holidays coming up. It's just all dirt from living in the desert. It's actually a really clean engine, so it sucks seeing it that way. Okay, we're all clipped on. Connect your filter, your little line, or whatever this thing is, back intake. And just put your bolts back on, and you're done. Yeah, I recommend when you change your oil, if you haven't changed your air filter, just do it anyway. Makes a big difference. All the little things make the biggest difference. So, alright guys, have a good one. Sorry my truck's dirty. I know. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm not the only one though. I know that for sure.